Hi, and welcome back to English Narrator. I'm Linda, your host. This is your relaxing English listening practice, a place to learn new words and improve your English step by step without pressure. Take a deep breath. Let's enjoy today's journey together. Warm-up thought. Did you know that native speakers often imply more than they actually say? It's true. Words carry more meaning than we realize. That's why today's lesson will help you understand not just the words, but also the meaning behind them. Today's focus. Today, we're learning 20 powerful and useful intermediate words. These are words you'll hear in real conversations, with friends, at work, or even in books and podcasts. They help you sound more natural and express your thoughts clearly. As we go, see how many of these words you already know, and try using one in your next conversation. Vocabulary practice. Let's begin with the first word. Apparently. This means something seems true based on what you see or hear. It's like saying, "It looks like this is true." Examples. Apparently, she moved to another city. Apparently, it's going to rain tonight. Mini practice. A. Apparently, the store is closed. B. Really? I thought it stayed open late. Imply. To imply means to suggest something without saying it directly. It's like giving a hint. Examples. He didn't say it, but he implied that I was late. Are you implying that this is my fault? Mini practice. A. She didn't say no, but she implied it. B. Yeah, I think she's not interested. Persistent. Someone who is persistent keeps going, even when things are hard. It's like not giving up. Examples. She's very persistent. She keeps trying. His persistent efforts helped him get the job. Mini practice. A. I failed the test again. B. Stay persistent. You'll pass next time. Deliberate. Deliberate means done on purpose, not by accident. Examples. That was a deliberate choice. He gave a deliberate pause before answering. Mini practice. A. Was that a mistake? B. No, it was deliberate. Eventually. Eventually means something will happen after some time. Examples. Don't worry. You'll understand it eventually. We'll get there eventually, even if it's slow. Mini practice. A. The rain will stop eventually. B. I hope so. I miss the sun. Convince. To convince means to make someone believe something. Examples. She convinced me to try sushi. I need to convince my boss to give me a day off. Mini practice. A. Did you convince him? B. Not yet. He's still thinking. Disappointed. Disappointed means feeling sad because something didn't go as hoped. Examples. I was disappointed by the movie. He felt disappointed after losing the game. Mini practice. A. I didn't win the prize. B. That's disappointing. You deserved it. Reliable. Reliable means you can trust someone or something. Examples. She's very reliable. She's always on time. This car is reliable. It never breaks down. Mini practice. A. Can I count on you? B. Of course, I'm reliable. Impress. To impress means to make someone admire you. Examples. He wants to impress his teacher. That performance really impressed me. Mini practice. A. Did my speech impress them? B. Yes. They clapped for you. Worthwhile. Worthwhile means something is worth the time or effort. Examples. Learning English is worthwhile. The long hike was tiring but worthwhile. Mini practice. A. Was it a long trip? B. Yes, but totally worthwhile. Short pause. You're doing great so far. Take a deep breath, grab some water or tea, and let's keep going. The next 10 words are just as helpful and interesting. Let's continue. Frustrated. Frustrated means feeling upset because something is hard. Examples. I feel frustrated with this homework. He gets frustrated when people don't listen. Mini practice. A. I can't figure this out. B. Don't get frustrated. Let's try again. Despite. Despite means even though something happened. Examples. Despite the rain, we went hiking. She smiled despite being tired. Mini practice. A. You went out despite the storm. B. Yes. I had an umbrella. Encourage. To encourage means to give someone hope or support. Examples. My friends encouraged me to apply. We should encourage each other to grow. Mini practice. A. I'm scared to try. B. Don't worry. I encourage you to go for it. Remind. To remind means to help someone remember. Examples. Please remind me to call Mom. This song reminds me of summer. Mini practice. A. Did you remind her? B. Yes, I texted her this morning. Although. Although means even if something is true, something else happens. Examples. Although I was tired, I kept working. Although it's small, it's very useful. Mini practice. A. Although it's cold, I went swimming. B. Wow. That's brave. Situational. Situational means depending on the moment or context. Examples. That joke was funny, but only in that situation. It's a situational decision, not always the same. Mini practice. A. Should I say yes? B. It's situational. Depends on the details. Candid. Candid means honest and open, no pretending. Examples. I appreciated her candid feedback. He gave a candid answer, even if it hurt. Mini practice. A. Was she honest? B. Yes, very candid. Reflect. To reflect means to think deeply about something. Examples. I like to reflect on my day before bed. Let's reflect on what we've learned. Mini practice. A. What are you doing? B. Just reflecting on my choices. Vulnerable. Vulnerable means open to being hurt or affected. Examples. Sharing your feelings makes you vulnerable. Babies are vulnerable to illness. Mini practice. A. I felt vulnerable after that talk. B. That's okay. Being open is brave. Reasonable. Reasonable means fair, sensible, or something that makes sense in a situation. It's used when something feels right, not too much, not too little. If a price, a request, or an action makes sense to most people, we call it reasonable. Examples. That's a reasonable price. I'll take it. Her explanation was reasonable. It helped me understand. It's reasonable to ask for help when you're feeling stuck. More practice sentences. I think his decision was reasonable under the circumstances. The teacher gave us a reasonable amount of homework. Is it reasonable to expect quick results? Maybe not. Mini conversation practice. A. Can I pay you back next week? B. That seems reasonable. Thanks for letting me know. A. I only studied for 1 hour. Do you think that's enough? B. For a short quiz, maybe. That sounds reasonable. A. I told my boss I needed a day off to rest. B. Good. That's a completely reasonable request. Take a moment now. Can you think of a reasonable request you made this week? Maybe asking for more time, or choosing rest instead of stress. That's the beauty of this word. It helps you express fairness in a calm, kind way. Final wrap-up. And that brings us to the end of today's journey through 20 essential intermediate words. These words aren't just vocabulary, they're tools to help you express yourself more clearly and naturally. So, how many words did you already know? Let me know in the comments. Maybe 5, 10, or even all 20. And more importantly, which one was your favorite? Pick one new word and try using it today in a sentence. That small step will help you remember it for life. You're doing amazing, really. Learning a language takes time, patience, and heart. And every time you listen, read, or practice, you grow. Remember, even one new word makes a difference. Even one quiet moment of learning moves you forward. Thanks for being here with me, Linda at English Narrator, a place where learning English feels gentle, peaceful, and just right for you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and share this lesson with a friend who's learning too. Until next time, take care and keep going. Would you like a downloadable version or help with the YouTube title and description next?
If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on learning English. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide you on your language learning journey. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.